What's going on, everyone? Thank you again for tuning in to another one of our videos. It's James here from Binance. Today we're going to be jumping into the Bitcoin charts. We did cover a video 2 days ago. We didn't have a video out yesterday just because price action was very slow. Nothing really changed following the video the day before. There has been a little bit of an update on the descending triangle which we were watching. So we're going to jump into the TA of Bitcoin today. Remember, if you like the video, please smash the thumbs up. It really does help a small channel like ours grow. Subscribe for more content, and always drop your altcoins down in the comment section below and we can cover a TA video on those. Anyway, let's jump straight into the charts. So as I always say, start on the daily time frame and we'll work down to the 4 hour. You can see from the last video, if you watched that, we drew, and I taught you how to draw a descending triangle on the charts because that's what we've spotted. I mentioned in the last video that for a triangle to be valid, usually like the trend line to be tested 3 times and also the support to be tested 3 times. We did have the third test of the resistance, the trend line, come in. Unfortunately, it didn't break through the resistance. That would have been nice. We would have seen a little bit of momentum to the upside, but it was rejected, unfortunately. Currently, we're sat at the support. Earlier in the day, we did have a break of the support, but I mentioned over on Twitter that don't just wait for the close of the daily for confirmation that the support has been broken. You can see that it was sort of like a ghost wick. It wicked down, hasn't closed below it as of yet. It's now sat at 46,500 circa, which is holding support very nicely. However, I do have a feeling we're going to break through that support due to the sentiment in the market at the minute. A lot of people are quite bearish, as far as I can see on crypto Twitter anyway, and a lot of TA videos that I watch personally myself. They have also spotted this descending triangle, and yeah, the sentiment is that Bitcoin has a little bit further to go before we see potential upside. So I mentioned in the previous videos, that I have a feeling we're going to retest the support of the descending wedge, which you can see on the daily time frame. That lines up very nicely with breaking of the support of the descending triangle, and our technical target would be down there at 40,500. I did mention in the last video that there's a lot of support at 42,376 per Bitcoin. So we could see a bit of consolidation around that zone. Ultimately, technical target for the descending wedge is down at the 40,400 mark. Anyway, let's look down at the 4 hour now. You can see a lot clearer the descending wedge. You can see the 3 peaks and the 3 tests of the support. The wick down is more evident now on my charts as well. But as we haven't seen it close below the support, we can't confirm that it has been broken just yet. Let's look a little bit at the MACD as well. You can see that the moving averages have crossed over on the 4 hour, which in other words, that means that price action is quite bearish. It's a lagging indicator, and as you can see, the price action has been quite bearish. But although it might seem that I'm a little bit bearish on Bitcoin, ultimately I am on a shorter time frame. I do think that price action will recover, and we should see some bullish momentum very soon once the bottom's in. Just to give an insight on both the bearish and the bullish scenarios, there's another indicator that I use. It's another oscillator called the Relative Strength Index. It's the RSI. On the 4 hour, you can quite notably see that there is bullish divergence, and bullish divergence basically means that price action has been bearish. We've got 2 lower lows, and then on the RSI there hasn't actually been 2 lower lows, which can sometimes be a precursor to bulls regaining a little bit of strength, a little bit of a relief rally potentially coming in. However, I am going to stick to my beliefs that Bitcoin has further downside before we get that relief rally. So we're going to wait to see what this descending triangle plays out. I would say go and check out our Twitter, which is at ForexGen, Binance. So we do post daily updates on our Twitter page. On our private Discord channel, we do have updates throughout the day and potential trade setups. So be sure to visit binance.co.uk. You can sign up to become a subscribed member to our Discord channel. Well, that was just a quick little update for you today on Bitcoin. We'll catch you on the next video.